Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Nani that was our birthday celebration. Let's give it up for one per momento, isang paso guys. Wow! Wow, para guys! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Ano yun? Ang dami. Ang dami ano? Ang daming unggoy. Yes! This one.
Those white Lord, good health. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang paglaki mo. Alam ko naman, lalaki kang mabuting. Tingnan sa akin. Swimming na to eh. Kanina pag tumag-swimming ito.
I always be a good boy, and as I always tell you, you can be wherever you want to be, but always take courage and be kind.